Hello everyone and welcome to Exam Ashram. Today we are going to discuss Test 5 of Perfection IAS. Question number 1. Who gave the theory of natural selection? The correct answer is Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin, in his book Origin of Species, gave the theory of natural selection, or it is also called as the survival of the fittest. And Mendel is associated with hereditary principle, and Frederick Miescher he was the first to identify DNA as a distinct molecule. The unit of luminous intensity is, the answer is candela, and it is denoted as CD. Third, the major constituent of the borax are. The constituent of borax are sodium, boron, oxygen and hydrogen. So we have options B and D correct. So the correct answer will be E, more than one of the above. And the chemical formula for borax is Na2B4O7.10H2. What is the unit of stress? The answer is Newton meter square, Pascal and pound inch square. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. And stress is defined as restoring force per unit area of the material, and it is the tensor quantity. Question 5. An instrument used in measuring the depth of the water is, the answer is fathometer. Pyrometer is used to measure very high temperature, and hydrometer is used to measure relative density of liquid. Lactometer is used for measuring purity of milk. Sixth, which of the following gas is present in large quantity in atmosphere? The correct answer is nitrogen. The percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere is almost 78%. Seventh, which of the following is not part of the water cycle? Filtration is not part of the water cycle, as it is the process in which solid particles in a liquid or gas fluid are removed by the use of a filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles. 8. Which one of the following is the unit of resistance? The answer is ohm. Ninth, pyrometer is used to measure. The correct answer is high temperature. Humidity is measured by hydrometer, wind speed by anemometer, and depth by fathometer. Question number 10. What is parsec? It is a unit of astronomical distance. 11. Malleability and ductility are associated with. The correct answer is metals. 13. Which of the following is used for artificial rain? Silver iodide, dry ice, and potassium iodide is used in the artificial rain. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 12th, the only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature, the answer is bromine. 14th, which of the following is related to total internal reflection? The correct answer is C. 15th, the disease of eye called presbyopia is treated with the help of which of the type of lenses? The correct answer is C, bifocal lens. 16th, which of the following are associated with the scattering of light? Blue color of the sky, color of water in deep sea, correct, and the reddening of the sun at sunrise and sunset. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. E. More than one of the above. 17. The ammeter reading is increased when a thicker wire of the same material and of the same length is used in the circuit. Based on above observation, which of the following are correct? The correct answer is more than one of the above, as all the options are correct. 18. Which device is used to check the voltage in a circuit? The answer is voltmeter. 19. Electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. 20. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, the correct answer is increases heavily. 21. Which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? The correct answer is D. The field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. The main constituent of biogas is, the correct answer is methane. Biogas is made up of around 50 to 70% methane and 25 to 45% carbon dioxide, with other gases such as hydrogen, hydrogen sulfide, water, nitrogen, oxygen, and ammonia. 23. The power of a lens is measured in. The correct answer is B. Diopter. 24. Carbon can form many compounds depending upon bonding with other elements because carbon has a valency of 4. 25. Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with zinc. 26. Which of the following has a pH less than 7? The correct answer is lemon juice. pH with less than 7 are acidic in nature. 27. When fats and oils are oxidized, their smell and taste changes. This is known as rancidity. Tooth decay starts when the pH is lower than 5.5. 29. Which of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? The correct answer is antacid. 30. A solution reacts with crushed egg cells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains. The correct answer is B. HCl. 31. Which of the following statements are correct? Electron is positively charged particle. Not correct, as it is negatively charged. Atoms contain proton, electron, and neutron. Correct. Proton is negatively charged particle. It is positively charged. Neutron do not contain any charge and it is neutral. B and D are correct. Hence the answer is more than one of the above. 32. CH4 contains which type of carbon hydrogen bonding? The correct answer is B. Single bond. 33. Which of the following are vector quantity? Velocity and displacement are vector quantity. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. Vector quantity has magnitude as well as direction. 34. Which of the following are correct regarding the velocity? Velocity is a scalar quantity. Not correct. Speed and velocity are same in terms of the magnitude. B. Speed and velocity are same in terms of magnitude is correct answer. 35. The temperature at which both Fahrenheit and Celsius scale show same reading. The answer is minus 40 degree Celsius. 36. C6H12O6 present which of the following compound? The correct answer is more than one of the above, as glucose, galactose, fructose all are represented by C6H12O6. 37th. What is the value of solar constant? The correct answer is 1.366 kilometer. 1.366 kilowatt per square meter. And what is solar constant? It is the total radiation energy received from the sun per unit of time per unit of area. 38. What is the bond order of OH group? The correct answer is A. 2. What is a bond order? It is the number of chemical bonds between a pair of atoms and indicates the stability of a bond. 39. Which chemical is used for fruit ripening? The correct answer is ethylene. 40. The process which is used to convert liquid oil into solid fats. The correct answer is C. Hydrogenation. 41. Which among the following is not an element? The correct answer more than one of the above, as metals, non-metals, metalloids, semiconductors are all type of a metals element. 42. Which of the following is known as plaster of Paris? CaSO4 dot 1 by 2 H2O. It is also called as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. 43. Which of the following is known as bleaching powder? The correct answer is C. Calcium oxychloride. 44. The mass number and neutrons of an element are 7 and 4 respectively. The element is, the correct answer is B. Lithium. Mass number is given by adding neutrons and protons. The number of neutrons given in the question is 4. So the number of protons must be 3. And number of protons is same with the atomic number. So atomic number 3 has lithium. 45. The mass number and neutrons of an element are 12 and 6. The number of protons are 6. Because mass number is equals to proton plus neutron. So 6 will be the right answer. 46. What is measured in becquerel? The answer is radioactivity. 47. Which one of the following quantity does not have unit? The correct answer is refractive index. 48. The value of 37 degrees Celsius in Kelvin scale is, to change Celsius to Kelvin, we add 273.15. So the correct answer will be 310.15 Kelvin. 49. Sound wave travel fastest in, the correct answer is B. Solid. 50. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? The correct answer is D. Speed. 51. Sound waves in liquid medium are longitudinal. 52. Hydrogen is absent in, the correct answer is D. Common salt. 53. What is the main component of cooking gas? The answer is propane and butane. Answer is more than one of the above. E. 54. Chandrasekhar limit can be the upper limit of dash of a white dwarf star. The correct answer is mass. 55. Deuterium is an isotope of, the answer is hydrogen. 56. A hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined by a triple bond is called as an, the correct answer is C. Alkyne. 57. The lightest metal among the following is, the correct answer is none of the above, as all the given options are non-metals. 58. The conversion of a gas directly into the solid is called as, the correct answer is B. Deposition. 59. The negatively charged part of an atom is called as, the answer is D. Electron. 60. Brass is an alloy of, the answer is copper and zinc. Brass. Copper and tin. Bronze. 61. The famous energy mass equivalence was given by, the correct answer is Albert Einstein. The energy mass equivalence is formula of E is equals to mc square. 62. The process of forming a thick oxide of aluminium to prevent corrosion is called as, the answer is C. Anodization. 63. To prevent narcosis in scuba divers, the gas which is mixed in the oxygen tank along with oxygen is, the correct answer is nitrogen. 64. Which of the following is the most reactive metal? The answer is C. Potassium. 65. Pure gold known as 24 karat gold is very soft. So for the purpose of making jewelry it is annoyed with, the answer is silver, copper and zinc. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 66. When any metal is mixed with mercury to form alloy, then the resultant alloy is called as amalgam. 67. Food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. 68. Which type of mirrors are used by dentists? The correct answer is concave mirror. 69. Which of the following have refractive index higher than diamond? The answer is none of the above, as diamond has the highest refractive index. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. 70. No matter how far you stand from the mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. The correct answer is plane or convex. 71. At which temperature the density of water is maximum? The answer is B, 4 degrees Celsius. 72. Arrange the following electromagnetic waves in increasing order of their frequencies. The correct answer is infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, then gamma rays. Which gas is released during earthquakes? Radon. 74. What is measured in farad? Electric capacitance. 75. Wood grain alcohol is nothing but methanol. Soaps are a chain of fatty acid, correct? Tail is hydrophobic, head is hydrophilic. Soaps are generally potassium and sodium salts. The answer is more than one of the above, as all the four options are correct. 77. Sudden fall in the barometer reading is the indication of. It is indication of storm. 78. Hydrometer is used to measure. The answer is C. Relative density. Viscosity of an ideal fluid is. The answer is 0. 80. Which of the following are electromagnetic waves? Light waves. 81. Potassium permanganate is. The answer is B. Purple colored solid. 82. In which of the following process heat is transferred without the actual movement of particles of the medium? The correct answer is conduction. 83. Relative humidity is measured by which of the following instrument? The answer is B. Hygrometer. 84. Heat from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. 85. The answer is gamma rays are uncharged and they are electromagnetic waves. It has the highest energy in terms of penetrative power. 86. Cataract can be treated by. The answer is C. Surgery. 87. The device which is used to detect electric current in the circuit. The correct answer is C. Galvanometer. 88. A galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting a very high resistance in a series. 89. AC dynamo or generator is a device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. 90. Two similar poles of a magnet repel each other. 91. Hemoglobin consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Hence, the answer is more than one of the above. 92. A rectifier converts. The answer is alternating current into direct current. 93. Discovery of law of electrolysis is credited to. The correct answer is B. M. Faraday. He discovered the law of electrolysis, and Dalton formulated postulates on atom. Kelvin is credited with creating Kelvin scale, and Archimedes discovered buoyancy. 94. Which of the following is used to measure the distance covered by wheeled vehicles? The answer is odometer. Altimeter is used to measure altitude and is fixed in aeroplanes. And dynamometer is a device used for measuring mechanical force or power transmitted by a rotating shaft. An electrometer is an electrical instrument that is used for measuring electric charge or electric potential difference. 95. Aerosol is a combination of. The correct answer is. The answer is none of the above, because aerosol is a suspension of fine solid particles or liquid droplets in air or another gas. An example of aerosols are fog or mist, dust, and geyser steam. 96. Which of the following process is used in the desalination of seawater? The answer is B. Reverse osmosis. 97. Anode rays or positive rays were discovered by Goldstein. 98. The maximum mass of an atom is concentrated at. The correct answer is B. Nucleus. 99. Which of the following is used as moderator in nuclear reactors? The correct answer is graphite rod and cadmium rod are used as moderator in nuclear reactor. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 100. Which of the following metal has lowest density? The correct answer is B. Lithium. 101. What is the main constituent of the pearls? The answer is calcium carbonate. 102. What is the pH of milk of magnesia? The correct answer is B. 10.5. 103. Which of the following is also known as quicklime? The correct answer is B. Calcium oxide. 104. Producer gas is a mixture containing options A and B are correct. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. So the answer is more than one of the above. 105. Which among the following is also known as white gold? The answer is B. Platinum. 106. Loudness of a sound depends upon which of the following? It depends on amplitude. 107. Which of the following glass is used for optical instruments? The answer is flint glass. 108. Which of the following is not an analgesic? The answer is Valium. 109. Which of the following is a natural polymer? The correct answer is lac. 110. RDX is also known as. The answer is cyclonite. 111. What is the pH of normal rainwater? The answer is C. 5.6. 112. Which of the following compound is used as a rat killer? Zinc phosphide. Potassium nitrate is used in gunpowder, fertilizer, matchsticks, and explosive. The answer is more than one of the above. 114. In the neutralization reaction, product is salt and water. The process of heating the concentrated ore in absence or in limited supply of air below its melting point is called calcination. 116. German silver is an alloy of which of the following metals? The answer is copper, zinc, and nickel. 117. What is the non-metallic component in the stainless steel? The answer is carbon. 118. Nanotechnology deals with structure sized between 1 to 100 nanometers. Which of the following are semiconductors or metalloid? The correct answer is germanium and silicon are metalloid. Answer is more than one of the above. The sound waves having frequency less than 20 Hz is called as infrasonic. If Mach number is greater than 5, then flow is said to be hypersonic. 122. When a particle executing simple harmonic motion is at extreme end, then the velocity of the particle is 0. 123. Which of the following options are correct? If lift is moving downward with uniform speed, the apparent weight of the body is equal to the true weight. This is correct. 124. Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia, and second law is known as law of conservation of momentum, and third law is known as law of force. 125. For a projectile motion to cover maximum horizontal range, the angle should be 45 degree. Ionic compounds can conduct electricity in which state? Solution and molten state, both the state, more than one of the above. 127. Which of the following is used as preservative for fruits and juices? Benzoic acid. Gauss is the unit of which of the following quantity? Gauss is the unit of magnetic induction. 129. The resistance of an ideal ammeter is? The answer is 0. 130. Which device is connected in parallel with a circuit that reduces the amount of electric current flowing through it? The answer is shunt. 131. Which of the following are insulators? Rubber is a insulator. And all the other three options are conductor. Hello. 132. The duration of a day appears to be increased by nearly 4 minutes due to atmospheric refraction. The light reflected from the moon reaches to Earth in 1.28 seconds. The value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at poles. If a body of mass 1 kg crashed with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square, then find the amount of force. The correct answer is 5 Newton. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. 136. If the acceleration of the body is 10 meter per second square, the force obtained is 50 Newton, then find the mass of the body. The correct answer is 5 kg. 137. The normal force of 200 Newton acts on an area of 0.02 meter square. Find the pressure in Pascal. 10,000 Pascal. Find the area of the body which expresses a pressure of 50,000 Pascal by a thrust of 100 Newton. The correct answer is A. 139. What will cause greater change in kinetic energy of a body? Change in its velocity. 140. Which of the following statements are correct? Boron is metalloid, intermediate between metals and non-metals. Correct. Metallic boron is hard. Correct. Boron does not generally make ionic bonds. It forms stable covalent bonds. Correct. Boron has a very high melting point. Correct. So the answer is more than one of the above. If force 10 Newton, mass 100 gram, then what will be the acceleration of the body? The answer is C. 142. Which of the following statements are correct? None of the above options are correct. So the answer is none of the above. Resistance is maximum when they are connected in series, and it is minimum when they are connected in parallel. It is measured in ohm, and resistance is a measure of the opposition to current flow in an electric circuit. 143. Torr is the unit used to measure pressure. 144. 1 horsepower is equivalent to? The answer is 0.746 kilowatt. 145. What is the SI unit of work done? The correct answer is A, joule. Which of the following are noble gases? The answer is none of the above. 147. Which among the following element is an essential constituent of acid? Hydrogen. 148. Which of the following is a chemical change? Rusting of iron is a chemical change. 149. When a tube light breaks down, a cracking sound is produced because pressure inside the lamp is less than the atmospheric pressure. 150. Which among the following acid is abundant in tamarind? Tartaric acid. Thank you and have a nice day.